Welcome to my channel Smart Science. Our body systems. Our bodies are made up of 11 basic organ systems. They are circulatory system, nervous system, skeletal system, respiratory system, digestive system, muscular system, integumentary system, lymphatic system, endocrine system, urinary system, and reproductive systems. Cardiovascular system. Transportation of oxygen, nutrients, and hormones throughout the body and elimination of cellular metabolic waste. Main tissues and organs are heart, arteries, veins, capillaries, and blood. Nervous system. This system helps to initiation and regulation of vital body functions, sensation, and body movements. Main tissues and organs are brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Skeletal system. It helps to support the body and protect the internal organs. Main tissues and organs are bones, cartilage, and ligaments. Respiratory system. This system helps to exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between the body and air. The main tissues and organs are nose, mouth, lungs, and alveoli. Digestive system. Mechanical and chemical degradation of food. Main tissues and organs are mouth, esophagus, stomach, intestine, and liver. Muscular system. Provide movements, support to the body, and which helps to production of heat. Main tissues are skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, and cardiac muscle. Integumentary system, which helps to provide protection from injuries and fluid loss and also provide physical defense against infection by microorganisms. Main tissues and organs are skin, hair, nails, sweat glands. Lymphatic system. This system fights infection and includes lymphatic vessel. It is the immune defense of the body. Main tissues and organs are lymph node, thymus, bone marrow, spleen, and WBC, white blood cells. Endocrine system, which helps to collection of glands and produce hormones like oxytocin, melatonin, cortisols. These are the hormones produced by the endocrine glands, and the main tissues and organs are glands and reproductive organs. Urinary system. Elimination of unnecessary compounds waste from the body. Main tissues and organs are skin, lungs, kidneys, and bladder. Reproductive system, which helps to produce germ cell like egg and sperm. In female, main organs are ovaries, uterus, and vagina, whereas in male, testes, penis and vasa difference. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel.